This lovely apartment is located in the exclusive Kingsrow Centre on Commodore Drive. Featuring 2 spacious bedrooms, both with air conditioning and plantation shutters, a main bathroom with shower and bathtub, and the master with ensuite and walk-through robe. This home offers open plan living with a huge living space with new carpets and air conditioning. This leads into the immaculate kitchen, which boasts an abundance of natural light as well as gorgeous views. The expansive balcony is the best place to be, with fantastic panorama views north to Australia Fair and east to the ocean. Kingsrow Centre is a well-regarded residential-only building. It possesses an excellent sense of community and has a wonderful balance between heritage and new. It offers leisure facilities including an outdoor swimming pool, sauna, spa, barbecue area and tennis courts. Conveniently located just a short stroll to Macintosh Island Park and waterfront walkways, as well as minutes walk to Main Beach tram station, Tedder Avenue with shops, restaurants and cafes, and the canal's edge where you can relax and watch the sunset over the water and hinterland.